morning, children. We have learned how to write the fraction form of a given decimal number in my previous video. Now we must do its vice versa, right? So if a fraction is given to us, we should be able to tell what is the decimal equivalent of that fractional number. So today we are going to take a few examples and learn that. Come, let's do that. Changing fraction to decimal number. Let us take an example. 2 upon 10. Now this is a fraction. I have to change it into decimal. So 2 should be at the 10th place because the total equal parts are 10 and we have selected 2 parts out of them. So, and there is nothing at the whole number place. Children, here there is 0. There is no number, so it means there is 0. So this is equal to 0.2. Okay. Now let us take a number 13 upon 10. Now children, 13 upon 10 is an improper fraction. Let us change it into mixed number and we are going to do it mentally. Now 10 ones are 10, 1 whole, 3 upon 10 is the mixed number. Now here children, 1 is the whole number part and after that we have a fraction 3 upon 10. It means 3 should be at the 10th place. So the decimal number will be 1 whole 0.3. So beta 1 is at the ones place and 3 is at the 10th place. Okay. Let us take another example. 378 upon 10. Now 378 upon 10 is again an improper fraction. Let us change it into mixed number. When we will change it into mixed number, we will divide 378 by 10. Again I am doing it mentally. 10 3s are 30. 37 minus 30 is 7. Copy 8, 78. 10 7s are 70. 8 upon 10. So this is 37 whole 8 upon 10. Now children, here 37 is the whole number part. So it will come to the left of the decimal. So we will write down 37.8. Why? Because 8 is out of 10 equal parts. We have selected 8. So 8 should be at the 10th place. Okay. Now let us take another number. 43 upon 100. In this, there is no whole number part. So, whole number there is a 0. When there is nothing, there is a 0. So, 43 is out of 100 equal parts. So, we will write this number as 0.43. Why? Because 43 is out of 100 equal parts. So we should have 2 places after the decimal, the 10th place and the 100th place. So we have 4 at the 10th place and 3 at the 100th place. So 43 upon 100 is equal to 0.43. Okay. Now let us take another example. 5 upon 100. In this also, there is no whole number part, beta. So there is a 0. So we will write 0 to the left of the decimal, and we have 5 upon 100. Since we have 5 upon 100, we should keep 5 on the 100th place. So what will come at the 10th place? What should we put at the 10th place? On the 10th place, there is nothing. So nothing means there is a 0. So we will put a 0 at the 10th place and we will write 5 at the 100th place, beta. So 5 upon 100 is equal to 0.05. Since 5 is out of 100 equal parts, so 5 must come at the 100th place, and that is the reason at the 10th place we have put a 0, and at the 100th place we have written 5. So 5 upon 100 is equal to 0.05. Let us take one more example. 726 upon 100. This is the fraction which we want to change into decimal. This is an improper fraction. Children, here 43 upon 100 was a proper fraction. Here also 5 upon 100 was a proper fraction. Here 726 upon 100 is an improper fraction. So first of all, we will change it into mixed number. Now 100 sevens are 700. So 7 whole 26 upon 100. Now children, since 7 is the whole number part, so 7 will come to the left of the decimal. So 7.26 will be the decimal equivalent. Now why we have 7.26? The reason is because we have 100 as the denominator. Since 100 is the denominator, so we must have places till 100th. So we have written 2 at the 10th place and we have written 6 at the 100th place. So 726 upon 100 is equal to 7.26. Let us take one more example. 3409 upon 100. Again children, this is an improper fraction. We will change it into mixed number and we will get 34 whole 9 upon 100. Now children, in this 34 is the whole number part. So 34 will come to the left of the decimal and we have 9 upon 100. Beta, since the denominator is 100, so 9 must come at the 100th place. So this will be the 10th place and this will be the 100th place. So what will come at the 10th place? We will have a 0 at the 10th place, and then only we can have 9 at the 100th place. We cannot leave the 10th place empty, beta. We have to put a 0 at the 10th place, then only 9 will be at the 100th place. So 3409 upon 100 is equal to 34.09. Okay, so children, if you find it difficult to change an improper fraction into mixed number, so what you can do, you can divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, I will show you one example. 3409 divided by 100. Now 100 threes are 300. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Copy 9. 100 fours are 400. 9 minus 0 is 9. 0, 0. Now, our quotient is 34. So, the quotient comes here. The remainder is 9. So, the remainder comes here. And the divisor is 100. So, the divisor remains the same, or the denominator remains the same. So that is how we got 34 whole 9 upon 100 as the mixed number. So children, I hope you would have understood how to change a fraction to its decimal number. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.